did everything. You held me down, but I got up. Already brushing off the dust. Guys, this is like my YouTube channel, by the way. Smile, guys. YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Blue haired Brooke. Yeah, Brooke is back, and so is Sydney, because I'm back home.
Oh, I was originally blue-haired Brooke. Hey, I'm
Yeah,
back.
you are.
I'm back.
And I used to be a brunette, but now I have red.
I was wondering, I was like, your hair looks different.
Yes, I dyed my hair over the summer.
Nice.
And-
God, I miss so much.
For a second, I was like, I'm so used to crazy colors. I'm like, your hair is not fire engine red. What? And I was like, oh wait, normal hair color. Just that.
And there's Alex. Yep, this is me and my friends walking around at the mall because we're that awesome. Now we're gonna go to Denny's and get food because it's 9:10, guys. Let's go get food.
I hope you didn't catch that because I said 9:10.
9:10.
I know 10. That sounds like me in math class.
Well, it's now on video, so
Oh, great.
YouTube forever.
YouTube forever.
Bye, guys. Say bye.
Annyeong.
Peace on the street. No, I can't rip off PvP. I can't rip them off.
Alex, say goodbye.
Bye.
This is Allie signing out. Later, guys.